Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to cook some tuna curry, the one that you get in the cans, the tinned tuna. Did you know that you could make curry out of it? It was very cold this week and I didn't want to go grocery shopping, so I rummaged through my cupboards and found some tinned stuff I had in there, and I decided to make something out of it. So here we go. Those are mustard seeds going into hot oil. Here I have some sliced onions, ginger, garlic, green chili, curry leaves, and a tomato. I really like the smell and flavor of curry leaves, and it is very typical in South Indian food. But I've noticed that it is not so easy to get curry leaves in the UK where I live. Now it's time to add the spices. Here I have only used turmeric and chili powder and salt and pepper. It is always better to reduce the heat while you're adding the spices. That's because the fine powder can be easily burnt and then it won't taste the same. Depending on who I'm cooking for, I sometimes replace chili powder for paprika, and I like the smoked one because of the flavor and the smell. So it will still give the color and the look of the curry, but without the spiciness. The tinned tuna is already broken into smaller pieces, so you may not find any big piece in this curry, but it's still very tasty. Leave me a comment on how it turned out for you. Did you enjoy it?